Where's,
courses, this will be your train.
where's the regular baggage claim?
Down the hall, train on the all right, second stop.
All right, thank you.
If you're going for keys,
So, I am on domestic baggage claim. I was on my way. You must catch a train if you're in Atlanta. Airport a little bigger than the ones up north. So, I am going. You must, if this is all pending you fly Delta, because basically that's all I fly when I come to the A. Haven't flew anything else. That daggone little wine in my system. So I'm on my way to get some brunch. So now we're in domestic baggage claim waiting for the light rail. So you must catch a light rail domestic in order to, so I went down a set of escalators. Now we're gonna catch this light rail to, I think it's T terminal, and that's where my luggage is. All right, back at you.